Check this out. These are Coast Guard signs for the Washington State Coast Guard, and we incorporated their logo here and on a black block front sign, and we also incorporated the Seattle, Washington skyline here, and they all came out pretty good. I'm very happy with the quality. Sometimes the black ones are really tricky to carve. Sometimes I have to recarve a lot of these features, or sometimes I have to start over. And I made 14 of them, and they all came out perfect, so it was a good Friday. Yeah, welcome to my channel, Custom Wood Design. If you're into woodworking, please subscribe to my channel. I try to upload once every 6 months, and now I'm trying to do a little bit better and document my work a little bit better, but it's been super duper crazy busy. These military signs you just saw, I was not able to document the process because there was 14 of them, I think. Yeah, 14, and they were super hot, so they had to be sent out, and I just thought during shipping, during packing, I just document the design really quick and show it on the video. But today's project is going to be for Mother's Day. So we're talking about these little babies. These are hand-drawn plaques, also hand-drawn artwork, and scanned in, vectorized, and then carved. So we got, my son made a message, wrote a message to my wife, to his mother, and I carved it. And then this one is from my daughter, Sophia. She wrote and drew a picture, and I scanned it in, vectorized it, and carved it. So these are the plaques that we're making today. And if you have any questions, please message me on Instagram, Twitter, or email me. I'll put everything in the description. So yeah, that's that, and enjoy. Peace out. As I walked around to start the video, a freaking fly flew into my mouth. How stupid.